What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today, like the title says, I'll be installing some carbon fiber grills on my BMW F30. Right now I currently have gloss black M3 style grills on there right now. I'm going to be doing carbon fiber M3 style. So pretty much it has like the dual slants, as you guys can see on the grills. Some people don't know what they are, they get confused. Well, pretty much that's what it is. When I show you guys the grills, I'm going to talk about where I got them and how they look and stuff. But from the looks of it so far, they look really good. So yeah, guys, I know this video has been made so many times, but I thought, you know what, let's just make a video on it. I always lie on filming stuff, so I was like, I need to get to it. Anything I do on this car, I'm gonna film it, even if it's to cleaning the freaking rim. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just let me know down below. Let's get to it. Zoe, stretch. She just got a haircut. She'd be looking fresh. Zuko. Hi, Zoe. Alright guys, back to it. Alright guys, so these are the grills. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of ordering off eBay. I actually don't suggest ordering from there at all for any type of parts, especially if you have a BMW. A lot of the times the parts have horrible fitment, or it's not what it actually looks like on the picture they're advertising. A lot of the times I notice they use real companies to actually make the parts, and they'll put it on their post, you know, that they're selling, which is a replica part. But anyway, I took a big chance on ordering these grills. My buddy had ordered them and he said they looked really good, the fitment was there, and he said that they were actually better than a real company who sells them. So I said, you know what, let's order them. I need more carbon fiber on my car. You can never say no to more carbon fiber, so let's check them out. They come nicely packaged in here, you know, each got their own side. Let's see. So let's see how the first one looks. Let me see what size this is. Oh yeah, these look really good. Here's one, check them out. Yeah, I'm gonna get more of an up close as we start putting on the car, but it's really nice. All the tabs look like they're here. They're solid. I've had grills in the past where I've just bought them and these seemed a little squishy. These are really solid. Everything's lining up inside really nicely. The carbon fiber looks really good. It's not a wrap. Believe it or not, there are a lot of companies out there who sell carbon fiber parts, quote unquote, and their parts are just wrapped, and you get them and you find out your parts wrapped and you don't know because, like I said, they're advertising someone else's picture. But these are really good, so I'll definitely put the link in the description if you guys are interested. Make sure both are the same quality because sometimes, you know, one's always better than the other for some weird reason. But no, this one looks really good as well. Yeah, they think they look really dope on the car. You know, the car's pretty aggressive already, obviously, with the whole wide body thing. Adding some more carbon fiber would be perfect. So yeah, let's get to the install portion of this video, guys. Some people stick their fingers in between the slants and try to undo the clips and remove the grills out, but honestly, I don't think that way is very safe. I think you take a high risk of breaking the clips or even cracking the slants because it depends on the size of your hands as well. But I wouldn't do that way. So I'm gonna do, I guess, the old-fashioned way, the way everyone else does. Okay, so here's the rubber piece I was talking to you guys about. Literally, it's easy as just that, dude. Just literally pull it up. It comes right off. We got one bolt here, another one 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 here. So we're gonna do all those. Make sure to keep your bolts in a safe place. I don't recommend leaving them in here or just somewhere on the engine bay because you do take the chance of them falling in. Also, if you watched my last video or one of my videos where I did the full custom intake, it is no longer on the car. Unfortunately, I should have filmed the uninstall, but I didn't. The intake is fully back to stock. I sold the intake to someone else, so someone else is enjoying that crazy sound. But yeah, the car is back to stock as far as the intake goes. Okay, so after all these bolts are gone, just pull the bumper back. There's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs. Just slide it right out, and the bumper will be pretty free. The bumper is plastic, guys, so don't be scared to, you know, put a little force on it. It should be okay. And after that, we're just gonna slide our hand inside here and undo all the tabs. Okay, so we got one side done now. I'm gonna put the carbon fiber grill in on this side so we kind of compare. how both look together and see which one we like more, which one you guys like more. But first, I'm just gonna clean inside here, get all this dirt. I mean, you won't even see it, but I'm just OCD like that. So here we go, guys. Let's see how the fitment is, how it goes in. Oh wow, that's really good. It's literally that easy, guys. It just snaps right in. Honestly, the more difficult part is kind of removing it than putting it in, obviously. But wow, it looks really good. So for a quick comparison, this is the carbon fiber one, and this is all gloss black. I don't know, it depends. It's up to you which one you like. I'm glad they didn't make these carbon because I think that would have been a little cheesy. The contrast is definitely good. But yeah, let's finish this one up and get the full thing on, hood closed, and the full video of everything. Just finished getting these off. I didn't film it because it's pretty much the same thing on this one, so I don't want to show you guys two of the same thing. But these are what the clips go into. Now all I'm gonna do is put all these bolts back on and securely tighten everything up, make sure it lines up with my hood, and that's it. We'll see how everything looks, guys. Alright guys, there you guys have it. Both grills fully installed, looking really mean and good. A lot of people won't like it. They'll think this is pretty cheesy. Why not just stay full gloss black? I know, I just always want to try new things, but I think it goes well with my carbon lip, carbon side skirts. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to have the full carbon theme around. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, I wanted to show you guys one more thing in the back. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably won't know that I changed my tips out. I had dual tips on each side, but I finally converted back to single, and it looks way more meaner. I went with it's like satin matte black tip, and looks way more aggressive on each side. I probably should have filmed it, but you know me, always lazy to pick up the camera. Also, I am running a huge duckbill now. Again, if you don't follow me, you probably won't know, but if you do, then you've seen it. But just wanted to show you guys. It's really, really aggressive. This is my whole hand. It's pretty high. But that's gonna conclude today's video, guys. I'm actually off to a meeting right now for the next phase in this build, so we can get things going, and I can show you guys that just because you have an F30 doesn't mean you can't make it look crazy.